Welcome to our latest outdoor adventure, the FRP Spiral Slide. Designed with fun and safety in mind, this vibrant playground equipment is sure to ignite excitement in children everywhere. With its eye-catching yellow and red wave slides, complemented by a sturdy ladder for easy access, this slide promises endless thrills for kids of all ages. Whether it's installed in a schoolyard, community garden, or neighborhood park, rest assured it's been carefully and expertly set up for maximum enjoyment. So, join us as we embark on a journey of laughter, play, and unforgettable memories with the FRP Spiral Slide.